Hello friends, it's me Suraj again and I welcome you all to my second tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you a simple hello world program, a basic method by which you can create a simple hello world program in JavaScript. Now, first of all, what you need to do is create a folder. Anywhere, I'll be creating it in my desktop. Let's give it a name, for example, JavaScript, and I'll open it. I'll have to create two text files and I have to rename them. Whatever text files I'll be creating, I have to create them in the same folder because it will be redirecting something. Okay, you can say that it will be redirecting to the second one or etc. Now let's create the first one, new text document. I'll name it as index.html and I'll remove all the prefixes. Yes, I want to change the extension. So you can see that this text document has been changed to an HTML file. I'll be creating one more text document and I'll be naming it as script.js and I'll be removing the prefixes. Now you can see that it will be changed to a JavaScript file. Now in order to start the coding, I'll be using Notepad++. If you want the version of this Notepad++, I'll give the link in the description. You can download it from there. Okay. Now let's start with the coding. Let me first put that script file also in this Notepad++. I'll drag and drop. So in the index.html, I'll be writing the code. Now, before I start with the JavaScript, I would like to say that if you want to learn JavaScript, for that you will have to know a basic knowledge of HTML because it will give you a little help to identify the JavaScript. So let's start with the JavaScript coding. First, write a HTML code. So this was my basic HTML file, HTML document, and let's write JavaScript now or scripting. I'll be using script and the closing part of the script. Now I'll open this script and I'll write something. src is equal to, here I will write the JavaScript file name because it is on the same folder, so I don't have to put the directory. Now you can see that I have written the basic code for redirecting my HTML page to the scripting page. This is because if you will write a big amount of code, or you can say that so much of the coding, then it will be really difficult for you to understand what exactly is the code because you'll be having HTML code as well as the CSS code and there will be no place left for the JavaScript. So in order to make your program much more easier to understand, you need to create one more file that can redirect to the JavaScript, or you can say you need to create a JavaScript file which can make it easy to understand. Okay, now I'll go to the JavaScript file, script.js, and I'll write document dot write. So you can see that I have written the basic code for printing hello world. This is the basic syntax of printing anything. Document dot write, and this document dot write gives an output, and this will be giving the output as hello world. So let's check it whether it is running or not. Minimize it, and what you have to do is right click on the index.html and I'll have to open with a browser. Let's say I'll open it with Chrome. I hope this works. So you can see that it is printing hello world. So this was the basic code for hello world program. And if your browser does not support JavaScript, then in the previous video I've shown you that how you can enable JavaScript in your browser. So that was all for this video, and in the next video I'll be showing you the basic syntax and the variables and all other things for JavaScript. So if you like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.